Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up an address for Amazon shipments to Jamaica. This is essential if you want to receive items directly at your Jamaican address, and it only takes a few minutes to configure properly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From there, select Account. This takes you to your main account settings where you can manage everything from orders to payment methods. On the account page, click on your addresses. This section stores all the shipping addresses you've added to your Amazon account, making it easy to select different locations for different orders. Now, to add a new address, click Add Address. You'll be directed to a form where you can input all the necessary details for your Jamaica location. The first field you'll see is the country or region dropdown. Select Jamaica from the list. This is a crucial step because it tells Amazon where your shipment needs to go and determines which items are eligible for delivery to your location. Next, enter your full name exactly as you'd like it to appear on the shipment label. Then, fill in your street address, city, state, province, region, zip code, and phone number. Make sure all these details are accurate to avoid any delivery issues. If you want Amazon to use this address automatically for future orders, click the checkbox beside Use as my default address. This saves time during checkout since the address will be pre-selected. Once everything looks correct, click Add Address. Your new Jamaica address is now saved to your account. Now in the upper right corner, click Cart. If you have multiple items in your cart and only want to purchase some of them, simply uncheck the box next to the items you don't want to buy right now. Once you've selected what you need, click Proceed to Checkout in the right panel. This moves you into the checkout process where you'll finalize your order details. Navigate to the delivery address section and click Change. A list of your saved addresses will appear. Select your Jamaica address from the list, then click Deliver to this address. Before you continue, it's important to always check your item first to confirm it can ship to Jamaica. Amazon can ship directly to Jamaica for some items, but not every product qualifies, so checking shipping eligibility before checkout matters. You'll usually see a note under the item if it's not eligible for international shipping. After confirming your address and item eligibility, select your payment method from the options available. Finally, click Place your order to complete the purchase. Your order is now on its way to Jamaica. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.